car project on Bornholm. CAR means creating automotive renewal. The number of public charging stations on Bornholm was very limited in 2018. On Bornholm we wanted to solve the future demands for charging electric vehicles. The South Baltic program called CAR is the solution. The program is guaranteed by Interreg. We wanted a private charger operator to operate on the municipally owned infrastructure. Behind the infrastructure project is a lot of legislation. Many resources were used to clarify this. The charging supplier was selected by tender. The supplier is responsible for the setup and operation of the charging stations. The tender documents were prepared with the help of a lawyer, so that other municipalities can be inspired and use the document. A market dialogue was held with suppliers to find out where the charging stations were to be located. Stakeholders were asked. After much planning, the preparation of the infrastructure could begin. The construction workers began the work. It turned out to be a big task to create enough ground connection to the charging stations. The electricians got ready for setting up charging stations. By June 2020, all 11 charging stations were ready for inauguration. And Bornholm was able to inaugurate 11 new charging stations at 9 locations, scattered along the coast of the island, for the benefit of local residents, business and tourists. And all charging stations are operated by commercial suppliers. On the north coast there is a 22 kW and a 60 kW charger. Both charging stations on the north coast are with double connection and load sharing. On the east coast there is also a 22 kW charger and a charger with 60 kW. The CAR project, the EU funding, and the public funds, have made it possible to establish the expensive infrastructure, which has led to more charging stations and more moderate charging prices. For the benefit of local residents on Bornholm, the business community and all the tourists there visits Bornholm every year.